Book review of What If We Were All Friends by C.M. Harris. C.M. Harris, What If We Were All Friends is heartwarming and thought-provoking children's book that carries an essential message of inclusivity, kindness, and friendship. As part of the What If We Were series, this beautifully illustrated book aims to help young readers understand the importance of embracing differences and fostering positive relationships with others, regardless of their backgrounds or appearances. Message of unity and acceptance at its core, What If We Were All Friends? Explores a world where children learn to celebrate diversity and recognize that differences should never be barriers to friendship. Harris presents this message in simple yet powerful way, making it accessible to young minds. Through engaging storytelling and relatable scenarios, the book encourages children to see beyond surface level differences and connect with others through empathy, kindness, and shared experiences. Captivating illustrations and engaging storytelling. One of the standout features of this book is its vibrant and expressive illustrations. The artwork plays a crucial role in reinforcing the story's themes, depicting children from various cultural and ethnic backgrounds engaging in everyday activities together. The bright and cheerful images capture the joy of friendship, making it easy for young readers to connect with the characters and their emotions. Harris' writings is engaging and rhythmic, ensuring that children remain captivated throughout the story. The language is simple yet effective, making it suitable for early readers while also serving as valuable read-aloud book for parents, teachers, and caregivers. The repetition of key phrases helps reinforce the book's core message, making it easier for children to internalize the values being conveyed. Encouraging conversations about friendship beyond its storytelling, What If We Were All Friends, serves as an excellent conversation starter for adults and children. The book raises questions about what it means to be a good friend, how to include others, and why diversity should be embraced rather than feared. Educators and parents can use this book to prompt discussions about kindness, acceptance, and the importance of treating others with respect. A timely and important read in today's world where differences are often highlighted more than similarities, book like What If We Were All Friends? And more relevant than ever, it gently teaches children that friendships are built on love, understanding, and shared experiences rather than on external factors. The book's uplifting and hopeful tone makes it a valuable addition to any child's library, promoting messages that will resonate long after the final page is turned. Final thoughts. C.M. Harris delivers a beautifully crafted and meaningful children's book that promotes inclusion, empathy, and kindness with its engaging story, lively illustrations, and important message, What If We Were All Friends? A must-read for young readers. Whether in classrooms, libraries, or at home, this book has the potential to inspire a generation of children to embrace differences and build lasting friendships. Highly recommended for parents, educators, and anyone looking to instill the values of unity and compassion in children.